Hello YouTube world, it's Lee again. Today my brother has brought my nephew's car over here. It needs a little attention. I'm gonna get after it. I gotta try to get, first I'm gonna do these headlights, polish them out, but he's had a little fender bender here and it's kind of pulled the headlight this way, so I'm gonna try to get in there and knock this fender back out to get this headlight moved back over where it should be, and then I'm just going to polish the headlights. And that's it, so we'll get after it. What I'm doing on this side here is I'm gonna go ahead and pull this bumper loose. There's one 8mm bolt right up in here to where I can pull this back, and then maybe I can get up inside here, straighten this fender. I've got it pushed over to where the headlight will actually line up where it needs to be, but I still want to try to fix this just a little bit. So this is 7mm that's in this bumper here. Just take it out. Try to slide this bumper back a little bit. I'm gonna have to pop this headlight out because I don't have the room to get in there to that inner fender. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the headlight out if it'll come out. Okay, there's the headlight out. We'll polish that up in just a second. Now I want to see if I can get this fender straightened out. Since I've got this headlight out, I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the ground. What I'm gonna do is 1000 grit paper, sand it, and then polish it. Yeah. Right.
You on the rubber?
How's that look?
Yeah, hell yeah. That'll pass them. Try to get that.
Okay guys, there you go. Yeah, that one, I'm recording on this one. I just gotta look at you do not have to wet sand them. They will turn out just fine if you hit them with some 1000 grit. And some, you know, sometimes I'll even go back over them with some 1500 grit if I want them to be really nice. You know, but we're just wanting this to pass inspection. Hey guys, here you have it. You don't really need a whole lot, just some rubbing compound. Here we go. You don't really need a whole lot. I just use this rubbing compound. I bought it Advanced Auto for headlight. I use that on headlights. And 1000 grit paper. Just sand it with 1000 grit paper and then polish it. And there's what you get. Both sides. Got a little smudge on it right there. Right there's what you get, both sides. Ready to pass inspection. Ready, it'll last you for a good little while. So there you have it. Another one done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the link below for my website. I'll see you guys next time.